Today, I'll show you how to open a Microsoft project file online so you can view and work with your .mpp files right from your browser without needing the full desktop app. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly which page to visit, what to click, and how to get your project imported. First, you'll need to get to the right place in Microsoft 365. You can do this in one of two ways, and they both lead you to the same experience. The first option is to open a browser and go directly to project.microsoft.com. If you're already signed into your Microsoft 365 account, that page should load your project home right away. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in with your work or school account. The second option is to start from the Microsoft 365 app launcher, the grid icon usually found at the top left of your Microsoft 365 homepage. Click that launcher, then look for Planner or Project for the web, depending on what appears in your environment. Selecting Planner from the app launcher will also bring you into the same general workspace where you can create new plans or projects and access the import option. Once you're on the project homepage or in the Planner interface that's connected to Project for the web, you're ready to create something new. Look for a button that says New Plan or New Project. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your license and interface, but it will always be near the top of the screen and usually has a plus sign in front of it, like plus New Plan or plus New Project. Go ahead and click that button. Instead of immediately creating a blank project, you should see an option that mentions importing. You're looking specifically for Import from Project Desktop. This is the feature that lets you take an existing Microsoft Project MPP file, which is normally used in the desktop version, and bring it into the online environment so you can view and manage it in your browser. Click Import from Project Desktop. When you do, you'll be prompted to upload your file. A standard file picker window will open, letting you browse your computer, a network drive, or a synced folder like OneDrive. Navigate to the location of your .mpp file, select it, and then confirm to upload. As the file uploads, Microsoft 365 will process the project and convert it into a format that works online. The time this takes depends on the size and complexity of your project file, as well as your internet connection. When the import is complete, your project will open in the browser, showing tasks, dates, and other key details in the online project experience. From here, you can review your schedule, adjust tasks, and share access with teammates, all without opening the desktop app. And anytime you want to come back to this project, just return to projectmicrosoft.com or use the app launcher and you'll find it listed among your recent or saved projects.